Hello children, welcome to maths class. In this video we are going to learn question number B7 from your exercise 9.1. You know already we are learning how to apply trigonometry in real life situations. So, let us see the question here. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So, how is this situation? From a point on the ground, that means observing point is somewhere on the ground. Someone is looking at what? Let us see this angle of elevation of the bottom and top of tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. So, let us see, take your position somewhere on the ground. Suppose here we are. From this point we are observing what we are observing? The angle of elevation on bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of building. So, 20-meter building is there, this is 20-meter building. Let us see, C is the point of observation. Building is AB, it is 20 meter and transmitter tower is fixed at the top of 20-meter high building. So, now from here this is transmission tower from A to suppose D. This is the height of transmission tower, this is on the top of the 20-meter high building. From here when we look at the bottom, the angle of elevation is 45 degree, and from the same observing point looking at the top of transmission tower, this angle is how many degree? 60 degree. See how we are showing the angle. This angle is for the bottom of the transmission tower. Tower is on the building. So, top of building and bottom of tower is together here at a point. And another one we are looking at the top of transmission tower, angle is 60 degree. So, we are showing this angle from here to here, it is clear. Now, find the height of the tower. This DA we have to find out, DA or AD, that is the transmission tower, it is on the top of building, C is the point of observation. Let us write the introduction. So, we start AB be the height of the building and AD be the transmission tower on the top of the building. So, let AD be the height of, just we will use tower where it is on the top of the or at the top of, any word we can use, at the top of a building, top of building. What is the building? AB, building AB, that is 20 meters. So, we have mentioned C be the point of observation, that also we can write C be the point of observation. So, what we have to find out? The height of tower. Let us know, this we have to find out. Now, how we will find out? That question comes in our mind. Simple, we look at the triangle and then ask to ourselves what I have and what I shall find out. So, we have here in this triangle ABC, in this right triangle we have this part and then point of observation. So, this base and perpendicular relationship we know, 10 we will use. So, we are going to use in right triangle ABC, which ratio? 10. For which acute angle? 45 degree angle. Perpendicular is AB, base is BC. 45 degree value we all are knowing, that is 1. AB is 20 BC we don't know. One by one, just we do cross multiplication, we find BC is equal to 20. So what we find, we can say that that point of observation is 20 meter far from the building. Okay. Now we will go in full right triangle, that is DBC. So let us work in this right triangle. Now we are working in right triangle DBC. Here also we will go for perpendicular and base. We will use the same ratio 10-60 degree. Perpendicular will be from D to B, this full. So we will use DB. By base will remain same only, BC, for whole triangle also. 10-60 degree value we know, that is root 3, and when we look at the figure, what we can say about DB? This is in two part, DA plus AB or AD plus AB, or we can say AD plus 20. So we can use AD plus 20. DB is equal to AD plus 20. BC we have got here 20 meters. Now we need to simplify. 1 into AD, we will get AD plus 20, and root 3 into 20, we will get 20 root 3, and we get AD 20 take in RHS, we will get AD is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. How to simplify? 20 we will take common. So we can say AD is equal to 20 common. 20 we took common from here. First one is remaining root 3, and in place of 20, 20 is out, so 1 will remain. So AD is equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1. Now from here, if we want some exact value, we will go root 3 1.732 minus 1. So let us see that also. AD will be equal to 20 into 1.732 minus 1.000 we use. We get AD is equal to 20 into 0.732, and finally we get AD is equal to 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14, 1 0, and after 3 digit decimal. So we can say the height of transmission tower. Therefore the height of tower or transmission tower, just we will mention height of tower is equal to 14.64 meters. Hope you have understood. Let us see the next question of the same exercise will be the continuation of this exercise in next video. So far you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe. You are approaching your board exam, you will be getting one after another all the questions which will be very helpful to you in preparation for your board exam. See you in next video.